React Native interview questions are easy, but giving the right answers is what actually matters. If you're a fresher or preparing for interviews, this video can be a game changer for you. Because today, we'll cover top React Native interview questions with simple explanations. One important tip: don't just watch, participate. Pause the video and try answering before I explain. Trust me, this will boost your confidence and your mind RAM. Because most of the time, we already know the answer. We just don't practice saying it out loud. And that's exactly what matters in interviews. Question 1. What is the difference between state and props? State is used to store data that can change inside a component. Props are used to pass data from one component to another. In simple words, state is local and controlled by the component, while props come from the parent component. Question 2. What is a FlatList in React Native? FlatList is a component used to display a list of data efficiently. It only renders items that are visible on the screen, which improves performance. Question 3. What is style sheet in React Native? Style sheet is used to create styles for components. It works similar to CSS, but is written in JavaScript. Question 4. What is the use of ScrollView? ScrollView is used to make content scrollable. It is useful when you have small amounts of data that need scrolling. Question 5. What is an API call in React Native? An API call is used to fetch data from a server. Usually, we use fetch or Axios to get data from backend services. This data is then displayed in the app. Question 6. What is useEffect used for? useEffect is used to handle side effects in a component. For example, API calls, timers, or updating data when the component loads. Question 7. What is navigation in React Native? Navigation is used to move between different screens in an app. For example, going from home screen to profile screen. Question 8. What is Flexbox? Flexbox is used for designing layouts. It helps align items in rows or columns and control spacing easily. Question 9. What is the difference between ScrollView and FlatList? ScrollView renders all data at once, which can affect performance for large lists. FlatList renders only visible items, so it is better for large data. Question 10. What is debugging in React Native? Debugging is the process of finding and fixing errors. We can use tools like console logs or debugging tools to identify issues. Question 11. What is Redux? Redux is a state management library used to store data globally. It helps multiple components access the same data without passing props again and again. Question 12. What is async storage? Async storage is used to store data locally on the device. For example, saving login data or user preferences. Question 13. What are hooks in React Native? Hooks are functions that let you use state and lifecycle features in functional components. Common hooks are useState and useEffect. Question 14. What is the bridge in React Native? The bridge is a connection between JavaScript and native code. It allows communication between both sides. Question 15. What is performance optimization in React Native? It means improving app speed and smoothness. We can optimize by using FlatList, memoization, and avoiding unnecessary re-renders. So, these were some of the most important React Native interview questions for freshers. If you found this video helpful, make sure to practice these questions by speaking out loud. Because in interviews, how you explain matters more than what you know. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.